It's a girl, KenciaSplendor, aka Kiki. So today I am back with another video with my little sister. My butt and annoying. Okay, so her name is Mimi. Okay, we call her Mimi. Okay, so today we're going to be trying something brand new and we're going to see if she like it. So I know I've been doing videos on YouTube. I've been speaking my own language, but today I decided to do this in English. I might speak a little bit Creole, which is my language. I'm Haitian. So guys, so please bear with me and let's see how this video goes. Okay, so this video is about if my sister can actually handle spicy food. Not really spicy food because I'm not really actually giving her food, but if she could take she could eat spicy stuff. Okay, so lately I've been buying her hot Cheetos. She actually eat it. So let's see if she can try, if she can handle the real spicy pepper. Okay, so we have here red hot. So this one is the hot sauce. Okay, we're gonna try hot sauce. Yes, mama, hot sauce. This hot sauce, as I said before, and yes, and we're gonna try this red pepper. I'm not gonna be mixing this red pepper too much because I don't want her lung to be burnt. Okay, so they won't send me to jail because I'm not trying to get a jail, guys. And don't say I'm a bad sister. I'm not a bad sister. I'm just trying to see if little kids can actually handle spicy food, spicy things. Okay, so we're gonna try this in this hot dog. So I cut this hot dog into Mimi, come on. I cut this hot dog into 4 slices, okay? Okay, Mimi, we know it's hot dog. Thank you. Okay, so I cut this into 4 slices. So I also have this bottle of water just in case if it gets too spicy for her and she needs water and I have to give to her. Okay, guys, so let's go. So first, I'm gonna take some piece of this. I'm gonna pour it on this side because I don't want to get too much hot sauce on all of them because I'm not putting all of the hot sauce. So, Mimi, you ready?
Yes.
You sure?
Huh?
Okay, so
Give me some.
she's already asking for some.
Give me some.
Okay, guys, so let's
Give
go.
me some.
Here. How is this? Good?
No.
You like it? You want more?
No.
Why? You don't want to try?
No.
What happened?
It's not good.
It's not good?
No.
She said she didn't like this one, okay? So, well, I guess it wasn't really too spicy for her. Oh, she probably didn't like the taste. So we're gonna try this now. Okay, you wanna try this?
Yes.
Okay, you sure?
Huh?
It's spicy, mama.
No.
Okay, I forgot to take a knife. So I have to use my hands to actually cut it. And then I'm gonna use one that don't have hot sauce. And I'm gonna scrub it. Scrub the top, only the top. Not only the top, a little bit. No. Scrub the bottom here, all right here. Scrub it, right? Oh my God, it's so strong. I'm just gonna tap it. Come on, mama, you want some? How is it? What? No water. No.
Huh?
What happened? I'm not giving you water. You want more?
No, what is it?
You have to eat more. You don't like it?
No.
Why?
No.
She said no, she doesn't like it. You want water? You still want water?
Yeah, water.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and give her this water. Okay, guys. So I guess she's not really used to the pepper. Okay, so I guess baby can't really take the heat. So okay, thank you, mama. You okay now? Okay. You don't want the hot dog?
No.
You sure?
No.
Okay, she said she don't want it. So okay. So guys, okay, thank you for watching. Okay, guys. So please don't forget. I guess baby don't really like pepper. So I guess they can't take the heat. So I'm mistaken. So please don't try it. I was just trying, okay? So I only gave her a little bit of taste and she already didn't like it. Imagine if I give her that whole thing. Oh my gosh, she would start running in this house like crazy. Okay, guys. So thank you guys for watching. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share, guys. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. So thank you very much for watching. So have a good day, guys. So bye. Say bye, mama.
Bye.
Have a good day.
Good day.
Okay, guys, stay tuned for the next video. Love you all. Bye.